Hey y'all, I received this latch hooking kit from the company Craft Club, so let's get into it. So this is a psychedelia rug making kit. So the design is like this abstract wavy design, and when you open it up, this is what you get. So this is the actual template for the rug, and it has like this gridded image on it. So all the colors are there for you to see. Then you get this paper with the layout of where all the colors go to, so you know what to do, and everything is color coded. And then on the back of that, they have all the yarn colors with numbers on them, so you know exactly which ones you need. Inside the box are all the pre-cut yarn colors. You have this latch hook. That'll actually be what you use to put the yarn inside the rug template. So let's get started. So this is how it looks when it's laid out. And I'm going to get us going by just putting everything where I need it. And we're going to grab our first color to start with. You can actually start this anywhere you want to. And so I'm going to just get started with just one of the colors. So I'm going to start with like the yellowish tone because I'm like, okay, that's at the edge. So I'll pick that up first. So I start by pulling a little bit of the yarn out at a time. I don't want all of it out because I don't want it to just get everywhere. And then I start to hook the piece into the grid. So they actually have a video that comes with this kit. I didn't use it just because I've had, experience latch hooking before. But basically you just like put it under, you wrap the yarn around and you pull it through. I'm gonna show this again a little bit closer up. And it's like once you learn how to put the yarn on it, that's pretty much it. Like you can start to go really fast and just do a bunch as you just sit and watch TV or something. So this is like one piece done. So you put every little piece of yarn into your rug. At first, I did not think I would have the patience for this because, like I said, it's one piece at a time, as you can see. But this was definitely something that helped me to slow down, and I need that a lot because I like to speed through things. So if you're the type of person that wants like a long-term project to do, something you can work on, in between things while you just chilling, this is the perfect thing to do. So here is a close-up of the process. So the hook goes underneath the grid line. While the latch is open, you wrap the piece around and then you close it, you open it back up, wrap it again, and then you pull it through. So that is basically what I'm doing with all of these little pieces. And so now I'm going to speed it up so that you can see me work through the process, and it'll give you a good idea of, how it's looking, how it goes, how long it takes. But I really, really enjoyed this. And like I said, it's something that was nice to do while I was watching TV, listening to music, just taking some time to like relax. You could even do this while you're on the phone or whatever. Once you get the motion of it, it becomes like really easy to just keep going. All right, y'all, we are actually getting pretty close to the end of this video. I was hoping to record much more of this as I worked on it, but like I said, this is something that takes a lot of time, and I was doing it in between things, and sometimes I was out and about. So this was like a 3-week process. I didn't clock how many hours it was, but it was a long time. So yeah, over the course of maybe 3 weeks, I was working on it in between things on my lunch breaks and stuff like that. So now I'm about to show you what the finished result is, and I really, really love it. It was a lot of fun, and I love how vibrant it is. So If you like something like this, check out Craft Club. They have a lot of different kits with a lot of different designs. Thanks for watching and see y'all in the next video.